How to log in to Kayo Sports account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Kayo Sport account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, let's search for Kayo Sports. After you search for Kayo Sports, you will see its website. So directly head over to the website or you can simply select the login option from here. So after you open up your Kayo Sports, you can simply head over to kayosports.com.au as well. Now, while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So there you can see now the Kayo Sports website has just loaded in. Now on the top right, you will see the sign in option. Tap on the sign in option and it will prompt you to the login page of Kayo Sport. Now it can depend on your internet speed, so just wait for it. And after you're here, all you now have to do is you can simply type in your email address for your Kayo account. So just type in your email address. So let's do that here. And after you type in your email address, tap on the sign in button or you'll get this password directly. So just type in your password and after you type in your password, tap on sign in. After you tap on sign in, you'll get logged in into your account. If you don't have an account, on the top right, you'll see create an account option. Or if you've forgotten your password to your existing account, you can reset it by tapping on forgot password. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.